Dear students, today we will know about the sign convention for spherical mirrors. The first convention is object is always placed on left side of the mirror so that the incident ray move from left to right. Second, all distances are measured from pole of the mirror. Third convention, the distance is measured in the direction of the incident ray, that is from left to right, are taken to be positive, while those measured against the direction of incident ray, that is from right to left, are taken to be negative. The distances measured from the principal axis, perpendicular and upwards, are taken positive, while those which are measured perpendicular and downward are taken to be negative. From the sign convention for spherical mirrors, we can draw certain conclusions. In case of concave mirror, incident ray is incidenting in this direction, that is left to right. U is always negative because the object is placed on the left side. So, object distance U always negative because object is placed on the left side of the mirror. Second, image distance that is V for real images which are formed on the same side, that is on the left side of the mirror. For real image, it is taken to be negative, but the virtual image is formed behind the mirror. Therefore, we measured from left to right, that is in the direction of the incident ray. So, if the image is virtual, image distance is positive. Focal length, because focal length of concave mirror is measured from right to left against the direction of incident ray. So, it is taken to be negative. Of concave mirror, it is negative, and of convex mirror, it is positive because focus is a virtual point in case of convex mirror. So, it is behind the mirror. So, we measure the focal length from left to right in the direction of the incident ray. Then, height of object is always positive because object is placed above the principal axis perpendicular to it. So, it is taken to be positive. And height of image HI for erect image positive, and for inverted image it is negative. Erect image is, that is above the principal axis perpendicular upward, and inverted is below the principal axis perpendicular to it. So we measure the height of object above and perpendicular, so it is positive. Height of image, if it is real image which is also inverted image, so it is upside down, so we measure from principal axis perpendicular downward, so it is negative. But in case of virtual images which are erect images, the height of the image is positive because the image is formed above the principal axis perpendicular and upward. Now we will discuss the mirror formula, which is used to solve various numerical problems. This is 1 upon V plus 1 upon U is equal to 1 upon F, where V is image distance, U object distance, and F is focal length of the mirror. If two quantities are given, we can find the third quantity using this mirror formula. Magnification may be defined as the ratio of height of image to height of object. If value of magnification is greater than 1, it implies that image is enlarged. If magnification value is equal to 1, then the height of image is equal to height of object, so same size. Of image. If magnification is less than 1, it implies image is diminished. Also, if magnification is positive, then image is erect. But if magnification is negative, then image is inverted. There is another formula for magnification, and that is m is equal to minus v upon u, where m magnification, v is image distance and u is object distance. Now we will discuss some numerical problems. An object 3 cm high is placed at a distance of 8 cm from a concave mirror, which produces a virtual image 4.5 cm high. Calculate image distance and focal length of the mirror. While solving the numerical problems, we first pen down the information given in the numerical problem. So, height of object is 3 cm. Height of image is 4.5 centimeter. Because the image is virtual image and virtual images are erect images, so by sign convention height of image is positive. Object distance u is 8 centimeter as object is placed on the left side of the mirror. So by sign convention object distance is taken to be negative. So it is minus 8 centimeter. We have to find the image distance, we have to find the focal length of the mirror. We first use the magnification formula. We know m is equal to hi upon ho. Also m is equal to minus v upon u, and thus we can say minus v upon u is equal to hi upon ho. Putting the values, minus v upon minus 8 is equal to 4.5 upon 3.0, and it implies v is equal to 12 centimeter. Using the mirror formula, 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon u plus 1 upon v. This is 1 upon minus 8 plus 1 upon 12. Because image is virtual, it is formed behind the mirror, so sign convention is used. V is taken as positive. 1 upon f is equal to this. Solving this, minus 3 plus 2, 1 upon f is equal to minus 1 upon 24, implies f is equal to minus 24 centimeter. In the next numerical problem, an object 2.5 centimeter high is placed at a distance of 25 centimeter from a convex mirror of focal length 20 centimeter. Find the image distance, height of image and its nature. So we first pen down the information which is given. Height of object is 2.5 centimeter. U is, using sign convention, minus 25 centimeter. F is 20 centimeter positive because focal length of convex mirror is positive. We have to calculate V and height of image. We first calculate position of image by using the mirror formula. 1 upon V plus 1 upon U is equal to 1 upon F, implies 1 upon V plus 1 upon minus 25 is equal to 1 upon 20, which further implies 1 upon V is equal to 1 upon 20 plus 1 upon 25. Taking LCM, this is 5 plus 4, 1 upon V is equal to 9 by 100, which further implies V is equal to 100 by 9, and that is V is equal to 11.1 centimeter approximately. To find the height of image, we use the magnification formula. We know that Hi upon Ho is equal to minus V upon U. We are given height of object, which is positive, upon 2.5 is equal to minus V is 100 by 9, 100 upon 9 multiply U is minus 25, so this is 1 upon minus 25. That is Hi upon 2.5 is equal to 4 by 9, which further implies Hi is equal to 10 upon 9, or height of image is equal to 1.1 centimeter approximately. Now, to find the nature of the image, we observe the value of V. It is positive, it means the image is from behind the mirror, so it is virtual image. The image is virtual, V is positive, so virtual image. Secondly, height of the image is 1.1 centimeter, while height of object is 2.5 centimeter. So it is diminished image and also erect, because height is positive. So it is height of image is positive, so it is erect image. And also diminished, also it is diminished, because the height of image is less than height of object.